Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about a game changer for anyone who deals with grease, grime, and tough stains. The Dumost heavy-duty aerosol foaming degreaser and cleaner. It's also known as the best Formula 88 cleaner degreaser, and I'm excited to dive into why this product might just become your go-to cleaning solution. Now, let's start by talking about what makes this product stand out. The Dumost Degreaser is an aerosol-based cleaner that delivers a powerful foaming action designed to break down and lift grease from almost any surface. The formula is enhanced with dextrolimonene, a natural citrus solvent, so you get a fresh, natural scent while cleaning. The citrus scent isn't overwhelming, which is a big plus if you're sensitive to strong smells. And unlike some other harsh chemical cleaners, this one's got a good balance of power and safety. This cleaner is perfect for both industrial and household use. Whether you're working in a kitchen, food processing area, or an automotive garage, it can handle all sorts of tough messes. It tackles everything from greasy stovetops and kitchen equipment to heavy-duty industrial machinery. The versatility of this product is fantastic, as it works on a wide range of water-safe surfaces like metal, plastic, and more. You can even use it to clean appliances, grills, engines, gears, and tools. What I really love about Dumost's formulation is how quickly it works. You simply spray the foam onto the surface, wait a few seconds, and either wipe or rinse off the mess. For stubborn spots, you can easily repeat the process. The foam clings well to vertical surfaces and works to break down grease without the need for excessive scrubbing. Another big plus is how user-friendly it is. The can comes with a convenient pop-top lid, so you don't have to worry about accidental spray. Just spray, wait, and wipe. It's as simple as that. Plus, the cleaner does its job without damaging most surfaces, which is crucial if you're cleaning delicate or expensive equipment. However, it's important to note that because this product is so strong, you should definitely wear gloves and avoid direct skin contact. While the natural citrus extract is a bonus, the cleaning power can be a little intense, especially if you're cleaning heavy grease or oil. If you're an automotive mechanic, industrial engineer, or just someone who loves a clean kitchen, the Dumost heavy-duty degreaser and cleaner is an absolute must-have. It's powerful, fast-acting, and works on a variety of surfaces, which makes it ideal for anyone tackling tough grease or dirt. So, to wrap it up, the Dumost heavy-duty aerosol foaming degreaser and cleaner is definitely worth considering if you need a strong yet safe cleaner for tough grease and grime. It's perfect for both home and industrial use, and the best part is that it's fast-acting and easy to use. If you want a cleaner that gets the job done without harsh chemicals, give Dumost a try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you in the next one.